So how you can get to know or check if your Instagram account has been hacked? So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram account for that purpose, and after that go to profile, tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen, and after that you have to hop into account center, which is the first option in this list. And the very first option in this list again is password and security, so you have to hop into that. And after that, here under security checks, you get an option where you are logged in, so you have to tap on this. And here you will find all the accounts with all the information that where they are logged in. If you tap on any single account from here, it will show you all the devices and locations from where it is logged in. And if you see any kind of suspicious device from here, it means your Instagram account has been hacked. You can simply select that device and remove it from your sessions list, and your Instagram account will be logged out from that device. Another way to know if your account has been hacked is you have to go back and back again, and here in the settings of your Instagram account, you have to scroll through this page and scroll more until you find this section, your app and media. The last option in this section is app website permissions. So you have to tap on it, tap on apps and website, and here are displayed all the websites you have given your Instagram access to. So if you find any suspicious website here in this list, you have to remove that, because that website may be risking your Instagram account. Another signal that your Instagram account has been hacked is you have to open up your mail on which your Instagram account is registered and see if there is any request for password reset for your Instagram account or your email change or something like that. Other things include the unusual messaging, all the messages that you have not sent but they are being sent from your account, the stories that you have not posted but they are being posted from your account. All these signals indicate that your Instagram account has been hacked. And if you found your Instagram account hacked, what you can do to secure it, you have to tap on these three lines again available at the top right corner of the screen, tap on account center. After that, you have to go to password and security and tap on two-factor authentication and turn on the two-factor authentication. When it is turned on, no one will be able to log into your Instagram account until you type in the OTP that will be sent to your phone number or email address. And after turning on the two-factor authentication, change the password of your account. There are many tutorials out there which will teach you how you can change your Instagram account password, change your email address as well, remove all the sessions from unknown devices that I've just shown, and your account will be secure. So that's how you can check or get to know if your Instagram account has been hacked. Thank you so much.